We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English, some of the most mispronounced ones, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it in British English? Because the American pronunciation is different. We'll see it, hear it in a second. In British English it is said as Accenture. Yes, it's a ch sound, and you do want to stress on that second xen syllable. Accenture. In American English, however, it is usually pronounced as Accenture, Accenture in American English, or Accenture in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will. After watching those, I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.